Saan na sila? Saan si Mare?
Kaya maulog daw si Alicia.
Okay.
Kaya ba?
Ha?
Hindi maalis yung pagkapiki eh. Ang sakit niya sa tuhod. Oy?
Ay, kaya! Oo, kayang-kaya.
That's bad. I got.
Kita mo umaangat itong
I
ano
got
mo?
distracted by that.
Ito, umaangat ito.
I know.
You know why?
Yeah, I got distracted by those.
Kasi nga naka-lean backward ka. Dapat lean forward.
Okay, well, we'll see how bad I got. Well, first of all, when I was here, I really got distracted by those two. The little kid and the dad. But was it really bad? It's really bad.
Okay lang.
Hindi na umagsak eh. Dito ako.
Kanya-kanyang style. Okay, isa pa? Baba ulit ako?
I want to
sige.
go more.
Hintayin niyo ako.
Wala na akong excuse.
Hmm.
Woo!